In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Elementor. Whether you're managing a multilingual website or simply setting up Elementor in your preferred language, understanding how to do this can make a world of difference in how you interact with this powerful tool. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, let's navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find Settings. Give it a click. This is where you'll discover several options to tweak the core configuration of your WordPress site. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to head to the General tab. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of settings you can alter to fit your site's needs. Linger on the page for a moment and scroll down until you spot the Site Language drop-down menu. This is the key to changing the language in Elementor. Click on this drop-down to reveal an extensive list of language options. From here, carefully select the language you wish to use. Remember, once you adjust this setting, it might affect other areas of your WordPress site besides just Elementor, so choose wisely. Once you've selected your desired language, go ahead and click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step ensures that your changes are registered and applied. With the language settings updated in WordPress, it's time to jump into Elementor itself to confirm these changes took effect. To do this, locate Pages from the main menu on the left, and choose any page you'd like to edit with Elementor. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you should notice the interface has switched to the language you selected earlier. If it's displaying in the new language, congratulations, the change has been successful. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're working with Elementor Pro or additional Elementor plugins, they might need separate language configurations. Always verify compatibility to ensure a seamless experience. If you've been experiencing language barriers that affect your efficiency while using Elementor, this simple change can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. In summary, adjusting the language in Elementor is a straightforward process. By applying these steps, you can not only customize your Elementor experience but also make it more intuitive and accessible. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Until next time, happy designing!